In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key on HubSpot. This process is super easy, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can follow along effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to HubSpot's trial guide. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL that takes you straight to HubSpot's platform. Once you're there, your journey to retrieving an API key begins. It's all about finding the right options within your HubSpot settings. The next move is to go ahead and click on Settings. You'll typically find this in the upper navigation bar on your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on Settings opens up a world of customization and configurations for your account, which is exactly where we want to be. Once you've entered the settings area, you'll see various options. Among these is Integration, which is our next stop. Click on Integration from the list of options. The purpose of moving into the integration section is to manage how HubSpot interacts with other platforms, which is crucial for leveraging external applications with your HubSpot data securely. After clicking, you'll be directed to another screen that showcases different functionalities related to application connectivity. Moving forward, locate and click on Private Apps. The use of private apps is pivotal for safely connecting applications to HubSpot's API without exposing sensitive information unnecessarily. By creating these apps, you are equipping your account with the ability to interface with your data programmatically, opening the door to integrating countless other applications or customized tools. Once you are in the Private Apps section, the final step is to click Create a Private App. This allows you to establish a secure, tailored connection. By setting this up, you'll get what you came for, the API key. Follow the prompts provided by HubSpot, give your private app a name, and configure permissions according to your needs. After the app is created, the interface will present you with an API key that you can use in your desired application to start managing your data seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to obtain your HubSpot API key using private apps. Remember, your API key is sensitive information, so be sure to handle it securely. This straightforward process can greatly enhance how you interact with your data and integrate external applications. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you now feel equipped to manage your HubSpot API keys with confidence. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.